Okay, so now we're like up under the walkway, so we're getting ready to get on there in just a second.
Cream.
Okay, so here we go. As you can see, Domino Park. And here we go. We're going up on the elevated walkway to see what this is like.
Yeah. This is way cool.
And there's part of the old factory again. This is just kind of like a little look around the area. Alright, so I think this is some leftover equipment that they used to use with the factory, and they just turned it into like something to look at, I think. See?
Very cool.
There's the view from here. Now we get to see what everything looks like from up here.
Wow. Very
Yeah, of course. Yeah. No, take your time.
Another view of what it looks like down there. So you can see there's like really big like train wheels and like a track it ran on. I think this was some kind of crane system that they used to use at the plant here. I have a very high interest in things like this because I used to work on things like this, so. And you can see what the top of that looks like.
Dean, you have your timer on when you have to get back?
Past it.
It's not past it, is it?
There's some more structure that's left.
No, 350. No, 350.
Yeah.
And One World Trade Center from up here. If you look down there, that's where we were just walking at a little bit ago.
I was going to say, very diplomatic.
How much money?
Here's the other side of the playground. If you watch the other video, you'll see that I got this from the other angle. So there's that. See all the kids playing around over there. And then another kind of like steel structure over here too.
I'll compete with Lowe. That's not too far away.
There's some more grass areas right here.
It would have been like a 30-minute walk.
Okay, so there's that. So here's the staircase to go down. This is the Williamsburg section of Brooklyn, just so you know, in case you didn't know. I'm guessing these are like some kind of, they look like big corkscrews. That must have been something they used with the sugar refinery process or something, probably. So this is where we were at earlier, except we were on the other side. So let's climb up here for a minute. And we can get a good look at this building. Alright, let's step down. Alright. Another look at that building. This is the building I remember most. You could literally see this from the Manhattan side. So, this is the one I remember the most. There he is doing his video.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now we can look at a little bit of the flowers a little bit. Sorry about that, we had to move because of music. So this is where we were on these, but we were on the other side. There's another look at that building. So we're going to do a 360 view here so you can see the entire view.
Just say hey.
And there you go. So this was part 2 of the Domino Park videos that I did. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. Figured it'd be something a little different. And these flowers, they smell absolutely amazing. I don't know if I got any people that like flowers that watch my videos, but for my flower people, here you go. Here's some other little flowers. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this. There was a lot of things to look at, so I had to make 2 parts to this video. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the misting bridge I was talking about in the first part of the video. So just in case that goes off, we don't want to be too close to that. We don't want to get any crap on the lens. So it'd be water, but I don't want to ruin my new camera. So because then I'll be back to using my phone again, and we won't have these views like this. So. And of course, there's my favorite bridge again. See if we can look at the bridge a little closer. And there's something else I want to show you. We're going to keep it moving. They got volleyball going over there, and so we're going to keep it moving to try to get out of this area. They sometimes play music, so we're going to keep it moving here for a minute.
This is people who've been lost the boat.
Okay, right there is where the cables come out. That's where they come out of, right there. See, you got 4 of them, and they just go over the top. There's like a little thing that they go through, and then they go across. Now, if we look closely at this tower, you can see where they're doing some work. That's what those are. Those are workstations so people can work on the bridge. That's what that is. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I got a surprise coming for you guys. It's something I've been saying I was gonna do. I've got a lot of projects going on right now. I got a lot of projects going. I'm gonna be covering the construction of this bridge, and I'm gonna try to do 5 World Trade Center once they start building that. I'm working on subway videos, so I got some projects going on. So you guys stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the content. Have a great day, everybody.